Hey AppSumo fam, this is Adil. I'm the CMO and co-founder at CardClan. We've been requested with a beginner guide and all the demo video for more than 50 customers since yesterday, and we thought, okay, we'll make a quick video for you guys. This video is only going to be focused more on the use cases and experience, that why you need to use CardClan, how you need to use it potentially, and what are the expected outcomes, and how we are driving our roadmap for the next 4 months. So let's get straight in. This is the dashboard where you can see all your cards just created for the AppSumo customers, and it's pretty messy. I'm sorry about it. So you can create a card right here by just clicking on the create new card. It will take you to the editor. We worked on this editor for more than 8 months since the version 1.0 that we launched back in May 2021, and now it's 100% functional. And all of our customers, existing customers, which are more than 110, excluding the AppSumo customers we got since yesterday on the select deal, they are already using, and they've migrated all of their systems into this platform. So it's a very generic editor. I mean, we haven't put in a lot of time on it. It's just a couple of minutes job we've done just to give you the demonstration. So you can add images, you can add text like this, you can add all sorts of emojis, and you can add graphics inside this to make it more beautiful for different use cases like meeting reminders, like outreach messages for LinkedIn. You can get a link to this card anyway, and also automated emails once we'll get done with the CSV auto and bulk scheduling for your contacts, which will have an ability to integrate with your mailing system via Zapier and all. So which is what we'll get done by March, maximum April. So this is how you can create an experience from this card. This is going to replace your email sending strategies, and that's going to be more focused on the side of, you see this, as soon as schedule, you can have your own email connected via SMTP, whatever email platform that you use, whether it's G Suite, whether it's ActiveCampaign, whether it's HubSpot, whether it's MailChimp, and all these platforms that you use, you can integrate with SMTP as of now, until we do the Zapier integration, Pabbly Connect and all. So this is the experience. I'll just go ahead and get back to the card to show you that how it looks. It's just sitting in the draft. I'll just show you the preview, that how it looks to the end consumer, like your receiver. So if I click on the preview, it'll just pop up like this. You can have a message, you can have a closing outro of this card as well, and then you can schedule it onto your email with your personalized branding and all, which comes in with the white label features. So this is how it looks like on your email box while you receive it. You can I've already personalized this message on the top. Our idea with this product is the cover message will replace the subject of the email, and the message inside would replace the the actual message, the body of the email. So we are entirely replacing the email experience with digital cards messages, with having integration with all your mailing system by the end of this quarter, and also we are focused more towards giving you an option to not only personalize but automate by using merge tags. So merge tags, you'll be able to manage all your tags and data by importing all the lists from whether you're using ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, HubSpot, Intercom, Salesforce. You can import the list, manage the list from here. You can tag them, all the data management, contact management you can have with CSV import, which will come within the next 60 days. That is the first feature that we'll launch. Apart from that, email platform integrations is something we have done with SMTP card editor. Like I said, we've worked on it for 8 months. That is entirely new experience and very efficient. Our more than 110 customers are already using for the last 4 months, and it's going like it's a whole new world for them, since they've been using our ugly old editor that we launched back in May. It was initial phase. Then custom branding, like you'll have a white label agency features. You can create multiple spaces, team members inside this, just like you see right here. Just go ahead and show you inside the dashboard, so you can create multiple spaces, like for different teams or customers, set up different customers or set up different teams, whether it's customer support, sales, customer success, or HR team. You can have a segregated space for them. And same goes for your customers. Like you have highly paying customers, you have trials, you have people that are on monthly renewals. You can segregate your customer list. And once you have the CSV feature, that will be a cherry on the top. Apart from that, like you said, from the email accounts, you'll just like any other SMT settings, you just go in, add your records, and you'll be able to integrate your emails. Team members. This is similar to what we've done at Content Studio at Replug back in 2017 when we launched with AppSumo. Same function, same model, that you can add your team member, give them different access into the platform, into the personalized space, and then they can perform different actions. And also custom domain, for if you have a white label feature, you can have a CNAME and all the records for your domain, and the branded experience of your card will be delivered to your end recipient. So getting back to the roadmap, we are laser focused towards CSV feature, which will be there by March. Along with that, we'll be releasing merge tags. 15 days later, we'll launch merge tags, and then we'll focus more on the mailing system integrations that comes. Number one will be Zapier, Pebble Connect, and a few others that will incorporate 95% of our use cases, and that are expected by the start of Q2, which we can make it June or July. All the dates are pretty much mentioned. Any new ideas that you come up with, you can add right here, just like all of the customers are doing, and you can upvote those ideas. So based on those upvotes and people that vouch, we will start working on the development part. These are already done. You can see I would definitely appreciate and encourage our customers to have an eye out for this roadmap at all times, at least once every 2 weeks, so we can definitely be more strategic towards what our customers want the most and when. So this is pretty much done. I think I'm sorry if I missed anything, and I would love if you have any questions furthermore on this product that we are building. Like I said, our mantra is to replace email automated, like close-ended, high-touch engagements with digital card sending engagements with a unique and overwhelming experience for our customers. Take good care of yourself. Until then, stay blessed.